Have you ever scrolled past a brand online offering luxury leather jackets, wallets, and accessories at almost unbelievable discounts and wondered, is this a hidden gem or just another scam? That's exactly the question surrounding Ward's Leather Goods, a company promoted as a heritage leather brand with up to 80% off on handmade products. Their website tells a heartfelt story about a craftsman named Caleb Ward, a man supposedly dedicating 35 years of his life to perfecting leatherwork and personally hand-finishing every piece. At first glance, it sounds authentic, like a rare opportunity to buy into a legacy brand at a bargain price. But a closer look raises several red flags. The so-called founder, Caleb Ward, doesn't seem to exist. Even the photo shown of him is AI-generated, which makes the entire backstory feel more like marketing fiction than reality. The company also relies heavily on urgency tactics, with banners claiming it's their final collection and last chance to buy, which is a tactic often seen in temporary online shops. The product photos are either AI-generated or taken from elsewhere, not the kind of original workshop photography you'd expect from a genuine craftsman with decades of experience. Another concern is the domain registration, which only dates back to July 2025, despite the brand's claim of being built on 35 years of history. Add to that the lack of transparency, no phone number, no physical address, just a single email that leaves almost no way to hold them accountable. External feedback doesn't add confidence either, with Trustpilot showing only one review, and it's negative, warning shoppers that the offers are too good to be true. So, is Ward's Leather Goods a trustworthy heritage brand or just another cleverly marketed pop-up shop? The evidence suggests caution, and anyone tempted by the big discounts should think carefully before making a purchase.